All right, well, the biggest story today was the rainfall, and we saw it all over the place. And we're going to be noticing a few more of those lighter showers on into the night. Now, temperatures today, because of all the clouds and rain, weren't quite as warm for us as they were yesterday. Highs topped off yesterday at 80 degrees. Our low was at 60 degrees, and both of those numbers about 10 degrees off of where they should be for this time of the year. And as you look at your high from yesterday and the record high back in the years of 1998 and 2007, we weren't that close to it, but definitely not too far off. We were only 8 degrees off, so very above average of temperatures in place. And sunrise now is at 7:16 a.m., sunset at 8:20. So seeing our days beginning to shorten, hopefully that'll help things to cool off a bit more, especially as we get later on into the month. We're almost certain, well, it will be a certainty, things do start to cool off. But today we did see those cooler numbers in place. 74 in Marquette, 76 in Munising, Escanaba topped off at 76, and more of the middle 70s back across Houghton and in Ontonagon at 74 and 75. Winds currently coming out of the west at 13 in Houghton, 8 in Escanaba, and 8 in Iron Mountain. These should weaken, expecting them below 5 miles per hour, so not too much of a factor as we head on into our evening forecast. Well, more rain in place as we head on into the night, mostly just light showers. The heavier rain is gone, but we will see pockets of it going on into the day on Wednesday, and it will be cooler for us because of that cooler air trying to sneak its way back in. Mostly upper 60s for afternoon highs, but the rain, it just doesn't end there. We'll get more chances heading on into tomorrow night, and maybe even a few leftover showers for us heading on into Thursday. Well, a look at our setup right now shows the showers and storms making their way farther to the south and east, but not by much. Pretty much the same areas will see more of the rain as we head on into tomorrow. And here's a look at that as we take a look at our setup. You can see the severe activity will be off to our south, which is a good thing. But we do have to deal with more of those showers and thunderstorms, especially the heavier showers across central and eastern UP. Western UP going back across the Keweenaw Peninsula, Ontonagon, Houghton, back up to Copper Harbor, and even Ironwood. Yes, we will see rain from it. It probably won't be the heavier rain like they're expecting south and east, but a few light showers here and there, what we'll be expecting, and then things start to quiet down as we get later on into Thursday evening. But by the weekend, yet again, another system will be on its way in, bringing more of that rain. Your FUTURECAST model this evening, seeing more of the scattered light showers tomorrow. Some of those heavier showers making their way through, and they start to head their way off towards the south and east, but another wave comes in just in time as we get into late tomorrow night, and by Thursday, maybe a few leftover showers in place before starting to clear out by Thursday evening and Thursday night, and then expecting a very quiet evening or a quiet day heading on into Friday. This evening we'll dip down into the middle 60s with more of that rain lingering on for us, and it will be in place for tomorrow. The heat gone, but the rain, that will be sticking around. The winds out of the northeast between 5 to 10. Upper 60s in Lawrence, 72 showing up in Ontonagon. Crystal Falls, Florence, both at 73. Also seeing the same numbers in Escanaba and Manistee. Munising will top off at 74. And Marquette up to 69. But rain in place throughout the entire day. Tomorrow night, starting to see those numbers dip just a bit more as we'll drop into the middle 50s for overnight lows. And look at your 7-day forecast. Rain in place tomorrow. Heading on into Thursday, a few light showers still left around for us. A break on Friday, but then noticing another chance heading on into Saturday. But our numbers really cooling off by Saturday. Only expecting a high of 62. And afterwards, we do get a couple of days that will warm up just slightly, but then noticing dropping back those numbers into the lower 60s again. So over the next few days, we do have to deal with the rain except for Friday, but afterwards probably getting a break from the rain as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But highs beginning to drop off by early next week, and also noticing our lows fall back into the 40s.